kill. Oh, there you go, Bandit. All right, Blue.
Ah, my horses are here. What's your name, young man?
My name is Ryan.
Well, Ryan, welcome to my horse farm.
You have a beautiful farm, and I just love all the things you have here. Do you, make these horses into champions?
I have plans. I have plans for both these guys. Well, let's go to the stable and feed them. The thing about horses, Ryan, is that you have to treat them like human beings. They are amazing creatures that will give back if you give to them. Are you horses ready to eat? Have at it, guys. Oh, why'd that happen? I see our patient has woken. Take it easy, Gonzo.
You don't have to neigh, Bandit. You should take pride in knowing that you're going to be the first horse that will ever talk in the history of the world.
Have you prepared the syringe, Gonzo? Wonderful. It won't be long now. You won't feel a thing, just a little prick. 99. Oh, I got a headache. God, I can't stand being poisoned. Wait a minute. Why am I talking? Hello? Why am I talking? Hey, is that a monkey again? Yeah, monkey! I need some answers right now! Everybody just calm down. Bandit, the reason you talk is the reason I'll be famous. The government banned my horse-talking research because they said it was inhumane to horses. But I disagree, so I went under the table, built this cave, and here I am. Oh, this chicken is so good. Oh, God, that was a face plant. He's dead, monkey. Don't worry about him. Jump over him. Come over here and get me. Open the door. There you go. Awesome. I'm just gonna go, all right? You shouldn't treat horses like that. It's wrong, old man. It's wrong. I love this farm and I love talking. Hey, Blue, you old devil. I'm gonna come down there and tell you a creepy story. Oh, wow, I just realized I don't speak horse anymore. I don't even know. Seriously, Blue, stop it. There's no reason. I'm okay, all right. You know, no. Hey, Blue, no, stop running. Blue, I'm gonna sleep in the house from now on.
I hear a talking horse. I'm so excited because this is on my bucket list, talking to a horse that talks.
Yeah, why do you think it would be fun talking to a horse?
Well, I just think you have free spirits, you know?
Free spirits? Look at Blue over there. We left the gate open for him 10 minutes ago and he still hasn't left.
Hey, man, I'm just trying to be real.
Huh? Real? I'm the definition of real. I'm a talking horse.
So you're gonna play like that, huh?
Look, man, I don't want to start a fight. Hey, look, there goes Blue finally.
Give me your wallet.
Wallet? I'm a horse, man. Look, it's Van Gogh.
What? Hey!
You're mine.
Ah, Bandit, you're up from your nap.
Huh? What is that? Oh, God.
look so hungry. Can I feed you?